Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. Wishing everyone a very happy Diwali. In this video, I've created this super glam makeup look which is actually very simple to recreate, and I've actually not used a lot of products to create it. So if you want to know how I created it, please keep on watching. So I've already done my eyebrows and I'm going to begin with my face first. I'm going to use this thermal mist by Aven and I'm going to spritz it all over my face. My skin hasn't been doing great of late, but it's getting better. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. I don't know what to say about this foundation. It's literally everyone's favorite and the OG. You can see how stunning the coverage is, and I like to use it on a daily basis, and I also like to use it for big days like Diwali. And I don't know what to say actually, like it's such an affordable foundation and such great quality. Once we're done with that, I'm going to use a concealer. This one by LA Girl, the Pro Conceal Concealer. My shade is Pure Beige. All the shade names will be listed down in the description box, so you can check that out. I'm basically concealing all the marks and blemishes that I have right now because of the acne. And yeah, I just love the undertone of this concealer. It matches my skin so well. And I'm going to blend it out with one of my favorite brushes right now, which is the PAC 073 brush, if I'm not wrong. Again, I'll leave the details in the description box so you can check that out. Then to set it all in, I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Magique in the shade G2, and I'm going to set my entire face. My lips were feeling very dry thanks to the winter, so I used the Laneige lip balm to hydrate my lips. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is not the remastered palette, this is the first palette that they came out with, and I'm using the shade Sandalwood and putting it in my crease and taking my time to blend it out so that the eyeshadow looks seamlessly blended. Once I'm done with that, I'm using the shade Henna and I'm applying it in the outer 1/4 corner and taking it a little bit in the crease, or not a lot but a little bit, so that it all looks tied in together. And then I'll be blending it all out so that it looks like one shadow and not two separate shadows. Take your time to blend. The more you blend, the more flawless your eyeshadow will look. Once I was happy with how the crease matte eyeshadows were looking, I used the shade Blessed, and it's like a gold pop of color that I wanted to go for on the lid. But it was not looking very Diwali to me. I was not very blown away, so I used this foiled eyeshadow by Ulta Beauty that a friend of mine got for me in the recent past, and I love this eyeshadow. It reminds me of the Stila eyeshadow which I've always been wanting to get, but I think this this completely changed the eyeshadow game, and I loved how the eyes looked after using this. I'm just going to blend out the corners so that it does not look like it's a stark line between the foiled eyeshadow and the matte eyeshadows. Then again, clearing out the edges, blending them out so that it all looks put together. Then I'm taking both the shadows, Sandalwood and Henna, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line to balance the depth and to give more dimension to my eyes. Then going forward to my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm going with 2 coats of this mascara, and that's about it. I think that's all you need with this mascara. I didn't want to go for a liner because I wanted the gold eyeshadow to stand out, and I love how the eyes looked. Just adding a pop of color, a golden pop of color on the inner corner. Moving on to blush, I'm using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro blush in the shade Roseate. All the shade names, all the product names will be left down in the description box. So again, you can, don't forget to check that out. This blush turned out to be a little more pigmented than I expected it to be, but I think I managed to blend it out and make it look wearable, and I thought that it looked really pretty. Then I'm using the highlighter by Nykaa. It's in the shade 24K Glam 01, and I'm applying it on the high points of my face. I like how, it's very subtle and does not highlight the texture of my skin that much. And yeah, one of my favorite tricks is to, set the face with makeup setting spray and then go over that with your highlighter so that it pops even more. I don't know if you can tell, but the highlighter stood out even more after using the MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm using the PAC lip liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm outlining my lips. It's like a very nude, warm toned brown. PAC lip liners are one of my favorites. Then I'm using the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Gulabe, and applying it all over my lips. I feel the lip paired really well with the eyeshadow. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.